is my Chapter 13 project for my content area assignment for the upper elementary grade students. And for my organizer, I did a few different things. I did some fill in the blanks, I did a web diagram, just so I can make information for them more comprehensible, make it more easier to understand. So up here it says, as you read, fill in the blanks of the vocabulary terms below. So I would tell the student to, as they read, they can fill in the blanks. It is exactly how the book lays it out for them. They just need to put the correct words in those blank spots to understand what the vocabulary word means. So we have plague, infiltration, barter, and reform. So they get the base knowledge of the vocab terms from their section reading. And then down below, I wanted to cluster the main points with a web diagram. So it says, use the web diagram to fill in the details of Rome's legacies from the reading section. Think about the areas of government, law, and citizenship. So I highlighted those words because those are kind of the main points that we read about in this chapter and that they should really just look at and focus on so they don't get overwhelmed. So I wanted to simplify the text, I wanted to put structure, and I wanted to focus on vocabulary as well. So hopefully this lays out the chapter for them nicely and they can just focus on what are the main points and what are the vocabulary words.